Welcome back to this channel. I go by the name Ken Ochilo, and I'm here to give you the insight of this and also appreciate some other people here. So now let's go. If you are new here, I go by the name Ken Ochilo, and here I'm in Kamakis, where I've been called to do to approve or disapprove or what? How should I call it? But now I just come to check on a project which is going on. It has some mistakes and it's been paused for a while, and we want just to make sure that it kicks off. So I'm here to check it out and also let you know. So here is where we go. So if you are here, I want to appreciate this. Some things which normally when you go to some sites you will not see, but to some people, some places you see. So first of all, I want to appreciate this guy. So you can see the joint of this guy. You can see. Look at that frame. The frame, even if unataka kunyima mtu kazi, utamnyima namna gani? Na hii this kind of work utamnyima namna gani? Sometimes it's good to we appreciate people. So this one, even if you are brought here to do a finishing, you don't have a lot of problem, because the guy has done a lot of work. Look at that. The only problem that I have seen here with him, which I have to mention out. But again, that might not be his. I don't know whether it's from the client side. I'll know with that. I'll check. I'll consult the client. The only issue which I have with him is that using these things. See these nails? I don't want these nails. I don't want to see this kind of nails here. See? No. The work is good. Look at the finishing here. Very, very, very perfect. You can see. Of course, we have this kind of minimal things. This one we can do filler to join that, to do a filling. Then you do a proper sanding there. It will be zero. Look at that. That one is zero. That one is zero joints. So we have to appreciate this guy. He has done a good job. This is guy. I don't know him, but I wouldn't mind to give him a job, because whatever he's doing there is amazing. The only problem is this one, because these stills, they were supposed to be mounted using the glue. It will be better, because when you want to maybe if there is a mistake, you want to remove the frame, it will not use a lot of energy, and also the possibility of the frame breaking up is zero, because with those kind of form, you just cut it, then it's very easy. But with this one, for you to remove this, you have to at least kuvunja hii ndio utoe hii msumari. So the whole of this pattern will be lost. So that's the only problem that I have with this guy. But otherwise, the job is well done. I've walked in all of these houses, all of these rooms, and the guy has done a good job. So that's my appreciation. I have to appreciate this guy. He's done a good job. Perfect one. The other person whom also I want to appreciate is the guy who's doing this plastering. So the plastering work also has been done perfectly. In the areas where I've seen, he has done a lot of perfect work. I've seen the wallings. The wallings are okay. Apart from few areas where I have also to mention is that he is not doing the finishing on these areas where we have the switches, and also we have the sockets. So those are the only areas where I've seen his mistakes. But if you see on general, he has done a very good job. That's when someone has done a good job, he has done a good job. You have to appreciate that. So I've worked in areas where he has done. I've seen, yes, there is a mistakes. There's some few areas. No man is perfect. So we cannot condemn him fully. but we have to appreciate the job that they have done. So we have to appreciate what they have done, a good job. So, and that's the second person that I want to appreciate in this job. The third person whom I want to appreciate in which has done a perfect job, according to my opinion, is this Umutwa Stima. He has done a good job. He has secured his sockets. Most of the time, you will not find people doing this kind of this, so that when these guys are doing the plastering, it will not interfere with this. How do we call the? Nimesahau jinao, but hizi ni za plastic, hizo za kuweka stima ya socket box and also the switch box. This one, you can see how he has done secured them very nicely. Most of the time you don't find people doing this, so this is very easy. This guy do the plastering, amalize, afanye curing here, then he will just come and tear this out, and also remains with a very clean socket box and also clean switches. So this guy has also done a perfect job. I've seen this in all of these things. You can see here they have done that. There's another one there, there's another one here, all there we have. And also you can check on the other areas where we have finished. He has also done the same. For example, you can see this one, he has also secured all those areas. So when people have done that, you have to appreciate. And also even the piping, how he has done the piping. I think here is where we have some naked piping, how they look like. You can see they are perfectly, when these guys will be doing the plastering, so there's nothing like lazima ajaze hapa ndio nini ingia hapa, pana ameweka tu vizuri. So plastering will become on top of this. Some other times you find people they do these cables and they left it on top of the bricks. So when you are doing plastering, you find the pipes is still protruding outside. But with this guy, you'll see in most areas, even in this case, you can see he had to hack the wall and hack it properly, so that when it goes inside there, there's nothing that will come out of here. There's nothing which will block this guy. So you can see even here, he has secured very well. So if you look at areas where they have plastered, yes, perfectly. So this guy will just do plastering. Look at that, plastering, and also go away with his job. So that's perfectly done. And even the plumbing guy has also done a good job, though there's some key areas where we sometimes look at, but I've not seen those ones, so I can't give him a shout out, but he has done a good job out there. The only thing, I don't know, because of the budget of where I can blame the steamer guy, the electrician, is where he uses this kind of this kind of the switches and this kind of the sockets. You can see these ones. Oh, these ones, you see how they make a lot of noise. So this kind of house, I don't really recommend, but I can't blame him. Maybe the client is the one who suggested that, so that one I can't blame. But even his choice of the light, I think the guy who decided on these ones also did a good job, because you can see how they look nice. I don't know why we don't have a power here. I would have loved to see how they look like, but I love the choice of his work. And lastly, that guy I'm going to appreciate is this guy who was dyeing the paintwork. So the skimming, if you can see the skimming is done well, because the skimming, if you want to know the skimming is done well, just look at how smooth the finished work looks like. And also I've checked with the light, because people don't know. If you want to know the gypsum had been done well, just use the torch on the wall. You'll see, if you see like some darkness, you know that one is not done well. But though there is some leakage from this end, but that one is because the finish, the work is still continuing up there. So that one we understand. So that's okay. Otherwise, thank you guys. Thank you very much for coming and watching my videos always, and also those who have been coming back all along. I appreciate you, the likes of Evans, the likes of Makasis, the like of Bashir, and any other people. I have a lot of people who always watch my videos. I can't mention you all, but I've just mentioned the names which I've remembered. But keep watching. The most important thing is like the video, share the video, and also comment on the video. This will help me with the algorithm. It will always share my videos to a larger number of audience. And the main reason why we do these videos is for us to grow. I'll grow, the channel will grow, you will also grow with the kind of the knowledges and other things. I've always shown you and also mentioned that I'm planning big things. We are going to have a very, very beautiful some content which is coming up in the near future. So we'll start seeing them bit by bit, and they will make a change in your life, and also they will appreciate. So let's grow together, let's move together. Otherwise, thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Adios. I love you all.